What's up guys, I hope you're having a great time. Today I want to tell you why you have to make 2025 your year. Time flies. And the question now is, are you flying with it, or are you just wasting your time scrolling on social media again and again, not doing the things you set to do for 2025? Your future doesn't start in January 2025. It starts with the choices you make today, not what you're going to do tomorrow. If you promised yourself in 2025 to change and you haven't changed, and you're probably feeling like a loser right now, so take small actions rather than writing down huge goals. What I want you to do is to take a pen and a paper and a piece of paper and write 3 goals you want to do in 2025. Highlight the first one, the first important one. Take this goal and divide it into small steps. Let's take an example. You want to be a successful YouTuber, but unfortunately you find yourself that it's hard to be a YouTuber. So you will keep telling yourself that you will never be successful and you will not be able to achieve that goal. So the goal now is to be a YouTuber, to make videos. The first thing you're gonna do, divide that goal. What's the first thing you can do to start making videos? First thing you can do, create a YouTube channel. Maybe you already have a YouTube channel. A small step you can do is to go and create a YouTube channel. Secondly, is to go and make that logo, create a banner for your YouTube channel in order to make it more appealing to your audience. The third one, and the third small step in order to achieve that big goal, is to make that first video. That first video is going to be the first step to your journey to make yourself proud. So what I want you to do to make that first video is to take a piece of paper, write down ideas that you want to do in that first video, and highlight the idea that is most interesting to you. Then you start filming, editing, or making voiceover, or the things related to your niche. After recording and making that video, it's time to publish it. Now you've published your first video. Take some time because you have made the first important step. Next steps, you have to make more videos. Think about this for a second. If you're 35 years old, you've already lived 12,775 days. Can you imagine that number? If you make it to 18, you have about 16,000 days left, which is almost half of your time on earth. What you are going to do today and what we are going to achieve today and this time will impact you in the future, will define how those remaining days will going to be, how you are going to feel in the future. Are you going to feel miserable because you have wasted those days doing nothing, regretting on the time wasted, or you will be happy because you worked so hard and to achieving the small steps and the small goals which has impacted your life now? Time does not wait for you, and neither should you wait for the time, okay? You have to make progress in order to be happy in the future. I want to tell you something very important. Before you have to worry about productivity and being productive, you need to fix your energy first. Do you sleep for 7 hours a day? Do you get healthy food to energize your mind and your brain? Do you move daily? Do you exercise and do activities that is going to help your body and your mind stay positive and productive? Do you do this stuff? If you don't, then just don't tell me that you are not productive, because you can't just be happy. You can't just be productive if you don't have the right energy by not doing the right things. So focus on your sleep, your nutrition, and your activity. You will not have the energy and you will not be productive. Many of us, when a year starts, we want to make so many changes. We want to achieve, we want to change everything at once, which is wrong. We cannot change everything at once. Our New Year's resolutions should start with small goals. Why most of people fail to achieve their goals by the end of January? You wanna why? You wanna know why? Well, there is 2 reasons. Reason number 1, they make hard goals which are impossible to achieve in a quite short time. They need more time, they need progress. That's why I'm telling you not to set too many goals. Or at least you have to set like 3 to 5 goals. If you achieve 3 to 5 goals in 1 year, and those goals have an impact on your life, that's amazing. That's great. You don't have to achieve everything you set for the year. Secondly, why most people fail, because they don't track their progress. If you don't track your progress, there is a high chance you're just gonna give up. You have to track your time. You have to track how well are you doing these goals. How well are you trying your best to achieve these goals. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, liking and subscribing will be the great option, the great thing you can do for me. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.